for smarter 5G deployment for you. In the past, we had to set our RU by hand. Sometimes it wasn't accurate. Today, you can use our QCT servers plus NVIDIA Aerial Omniverse digital twins to simulate in a virtual world first, then deploy to the real world. How can we do that? Here's a solution works. QCT provides high-performance servers that handle heavy computing and rendering tasks. NVIDIA Aerial Omniverse digital twins create a virtual environment where you can simulate 5G signals coverage virtually. Together, the solution helps telecom teams faster deployments, lower costs, and more accuracy. They will all happen before your deployment.